Chapter 2. The Major Arcana Introduction. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Major Arcana. The Major Arcana is the heart and soul of the tarot, consisting of 22 cards that represent archetypes or universal themes. These cards are often considered the most significant in a tarot deck, as they represent major life events and milestones, as well as significant lessons and spiritual truths. Each card has its unique symbolism and meaning, and when combined in a spread, it can provide insight into one's life path, challenges, and potential outcomes. Later in this guidebook, we will explore each of the major arcana cards in detail and their significance in a tarot reading. Here is a brief description of each of the major arcana cards. The Fool. The Fool represents new beginnings, taking a leap of faith, and being open to the unknown. The Magician. The Magician represents manifestation, creativity, and using one's skills and resources to achieve one's goals. The High Priestess. The High Priestess represents intuition, mystery, and inner knowledge. The Empress. The Empress represents nurturing, abundance, and fertility. The Emperor. The Emperor represents authority, structure, and stability. The Hierophant. The Hierophant represents tradition, religion, and spiritual guidance. The Lovers. The Lovers represent love, connection, and choice. The Chariot. The Chariot represents determination, willpower, and overcoming obstacles. Strength. Strength represents courage, inner strength, and taming one's inner beast. The Hermit. The Hermit represents introspection, solitude, and wisdom. Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune represents change, destiny, and cycles of life. Justice. Justice represents fairness, balance, and the consequences of actions. The Hanged Man. The Hanged Man represents surrender, letting go, and sacrifice. Death. Death represents transformation, endings, and new beginnings. Temperance. Temperance represents balance, moderation, and harmony. The Devil. The Devil represents temptation, addiction, and materialism. The Tower. The Tower represents upheaval, chaos, and destruction, leading to rebuilding and transformation. The Star. The Star represents hope, inspiration, and guidance. The Moon. The Moon represents intuition, illusions, and the subconscious. The Sun. The Sun represents joy, success, and vitality. Judgment. Judgment represents rebirth, awakening, and taking responsibility for one's actions. The World. The World represents completion, wholeness, and the fulfillment of one's potential. Each of the major arcana cards holds a powerful and nuanced message, and their meanings can shift depending on their position in a reading and the other cards around them. As you explore the major arcana, you'll find that each card offers a different perspective and a unique invitation to deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you.